All right, just got done with my 7 megahertz VFO project. I'll be using this upcoming in a. I plan on doing a direct conversion receive and double sideband transmitter. It's tuned from between around 7.12-ish to 7.295-ish. So just pretty much the SSB. So let's check out the stability. We're up here, about right up here. So that's the top of the band. All right, turn that off. And good signal. And now we're gonna go down to the bottom. It should be around 7.12-ish. Good range, all I need really. Yep. Oh, nice, okay. Yeah, right down there. So let's go ahead and go down there. All right. That's what I enjoy to hear, that good, stable signal. That good, stable signal means that your oscillation's on. It's doing pretty good. So, okay, let's turn off. And let's go inside. And sure ain't the prettiest thing in the world, but you know what? It works. Got a BNC, regular power connectors there, a pill bottle coil, nice capacitor there, all screwed in. Pretty cool. And then here I have all the capacitors all in parallel. But yeah, it's just the Bitx circuit except for the potentiometer fine-tuned. And I've just been experimenting with this, and so I was able to get it stable on 7. So that's pretty cool. That's a good stable 14 or 10, I don't know there, but it feels pretty good to have it stable up on 7. So, and looking forward to putting it in a double sideband direct conversion receiver. So, all up and coming. So, thanks for watching, and I'll be back.